buying a land is like saving your money. In years' time, you're going to benefit a lot from.
So you want to call today if you're looking for an affordable place that, of course, in a short while, say in 2 to 3 years, you want to start building. This is the perfect place for you. Currently selling at 4 million is at Ugwogo. Ellicott is around 3 minutes from the Ugwogo ultramodern market. That's the new Ugwogo ultramodern market. That's along the express. Is about 2 minutes to the Enugu-Abuja expressway, and it's sitting in a very stable, beautiful location. All right.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications.